heavy one. Hello and welcome back. It's time to say goodbye to a very old member of this channel. This here's my malyan 3D printer, and I think I had this for 6 years now. Could be longer. It's probably longer. This was the first 3D printer that I got as a review sample. And believe it or not, it's still working almost perfectly. It did develop a problem with one of the extruders, but that can be fixed, and it can be fixed really easily. The only problem is it's got kind of a weird firmware. I think it's seashell based. And no, sailfish. It's sailfish based, and yeah, you have to. You need some special software to make print files and things like that. But apart from that, it's still a really good printer, and because it's enclosed, you can just put some padding on the sides. You can close it up. It actually prints ABS, and for what it was, like a very, very old printer with quirks and stuff, it's a dual extruder, and it just works. And like I said, tomorrow morning it will be going to its new home. It's not going to the dump. It's not going to get recycled. It's going to get a new home, and maybe they'll still have some fun with it. Yeah, I mean, this was just an excellent printer. It was kind of odd, yeah. It came at a time where dual color wasn't that great, but hey, it had the spool holders on the end. And these were really good spool holders, and you can just remove them. It had so many good ideas and so many things that were right. And probably that's the reason why I kept it so long and why I kept using it. Yeah, I really like it, and I'm kind of sorry to see it go, but I'm building a new printer that's gonna live in the same space. It's going to be a better printer, faster printer, a more modern printer. But this thing here, it was built like a tank. It wasn't even that expensive. No, like I said, it was the first printer that I got as a review unit. And I'm still really thankful to Malyan. And it was actually Hobby King who set that up. And I had a really good relationship with Hobby King for a long time. And a lot of fun printing stuff, building things, making firmware enhancements, working on slicers. That was so cool. Yeah. So this Malyan M180 is going to go to its new home, and I'm currently building its replacement. So I hope I'll be showing you what replaces it. Thanks for watching, and bye.